Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list. Okay, let's start. Follow my wall step. No skip. At first open your Play Store. Now search Instagram. Now check your Instagram account. My Instagram account already updated. Open Instagram. Now click profile menu. Now click on three dot icon. Scroll down. There is option to hide Instagram following and follower list. Don't worry, I am going to show you another method. Now account privacy. Now click on private account, turn on. Private account turn on. Back. By doing process you can your following and follower list. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe now.